Hello, in this video I want to show you how to crochet 2 rows. I need to crochet 8 rows. 8 rows has 41 single crochet in white color, then 2 single crochet in black color, and then 27 crochets in white color. And next row have reverse colors, so this will be white color, this black color, and this white color. And important notice there that this is right side, this back side. So now I need crochet 8 row. This will be back side, so I need to change color on the back side. Maybe this is not clear in my message, but I try to show you. Now I crocheted 40 single crochets, and now I start 41 not finished, and then I take black color, finished this crochet single in black color. After this I put these yarns across my crocheting and continue crochet in black color. I need make 2 single crochets in black color. I make 1, and after this I made 2 but not finished. I put this yarn on the front, this end yarn across crocheting, and this white crochet I take and finish this single crochet in white color. After this I made single crochets in white color. 1, 2, and continue to the end of the row, but this end I put across my crocheting, and when I make this single crochet, this end will be inside crocheting. I made about 5, 8 single crochet, it doesn't matter. After this, put on the back side, make again. Look what we have now. Now we have single crochet in white color. After this, 2 single crochet in black color, and these ends we have on the front side. No, especially this is back side. And after this we have this end inside crocheting, and we can cut this end. What we have now, after this I continue crocheting in white color, continue to the end. After this make 1 chain, turn, and continue to this side. I'm continue my work. What we have now? Now I finished this row and start this row. In this row I made 27 single crochet. No, now I made 26 single crochet in white color, and then I need made next single crochet in white color, and then 2 crochet in black color, and then continue to white color. So we can make this and finished this single crochet in black color. This. After this, made 2 single crochets in black color, but second finished in white color. Look, this white yarn I put on the back side, and this I need continue crochet to white color. I have second row with white color, finished this single crochet in white color, and will continue my crocheting in this new yarn. Black color I put back side and continue crocheting in this new white color. These ends I put across my crocheting, and when I make single crochet, these ends will be inside. I made about 5, 8 single crocheting. It will be enough. This, and after this I can cut this and let's look what we have now. This is my front side of my dress. Now I have one white color before black, then black color, and then white color after this. And I need change color this and this on the back side of my crocheting, not on the front, only on the back. So after this I can continue crocheting this row to the end. After this, turn my crocheting and continue to this way. Thanks for watching. Bye.